So, for our final project of the class Data Visualization and Tools, we decided to create a performance evaluation tool for the restaurant Falafel King, which is located at Emory Village. Our product is made up of two parts. First, we have a tool that enables the managers to evaluate the employees' performance, measuring how long it takes to prepare the meals. And secondly, we created a tool that is able to tell how people will bulk according to the service rate, and then we'll give probability of loss. On the interface part of our tool, owners at Falafel King can record their employee service rate depending on which dish is actually being made. This interface is divided within the three main dishes ordered at Falafel King that are shawarma, sushis, and other meals. When owners click on the specific dish for which they want to record their employee's service rate, a window pops up with a start button and a record and stop button. Owners must press the start button to launch the recording and process the record and stop button whenever the employee is done with his task. Once the owners press the record and stop button, the actual time shown in the window will be recorded and given under the service rate data sheet. Furthermore, our tool provides upper and lower limit that are the industry limit we set for each product. In this way, it is possible to confront and verify the efficiency of the employees and see if they need improvements. In other words, employee service time shouldn't exceed the upper limit. But on the other hand, if it's under the lower limit, that would show how productive they are and lead to bonuses or salary increases. Then, our recording tool also provides the owners with a graph for each product, enabling them to better visualize their employees' performances. The middle line represents the service time mean for each product, and there can also be found the UCL and LCL. Also, on the data sheet, we have a clear and record button for each product to start again whenever owners feel like it. And at the same time, it stores the past data on the archive sheet. So now we're going to analyze the queuing system at Falafel King. Falafel King operates as a MM1 business, meaning exponentially distributed arrival and service rates, using a single server. We calculated an average arrival rate based on data we observed during peak demand hours. Using this mean arrival rate constant and the daily mean service rate that our product calculates, we are able to output many variable figures for analysis, such as average amount of customers in the system and average time each customer spent in the system. Then, to show Falafel King the importance of tracking and improving on their service rate performance, we performed an analysis on the bulking of customers. Along with the daily service rate input, we allow the business to input the number of customers they believe the system holds whenever customers begin to consider bulking. When this bulking number of customers are in the system, additional customers choose to enter the system on the probability of 1 over 1 plus possible number of customers in system. The model then calculates the total probability of loss in the system in number of customers, due to the probability of bulking occurring when the numbers of customers in the system is greater than or equal to the bulking number. This figure shows the chance that they lost business due to customers' tendency to bulk given an excessive perceived waiting time. Knowing the probability of loss each day will allow them to see the effects of their attempts to track and improve their daily mean service times. Finally, these tools give the small business a day-to-day way to track their performance and a reason to strive to further improve their performance. By visually showing the service times throughout the day and against control limits, the business can clearly see when and where there is inconsistency in performance, leading towards lower service rates and higher customer waiting. Knowing the probability of loss due to bulking customers gives the business a reason of why they should care about their service times and their effect on customer reason. Ultimately, the tools give Falafel King a way to track the business performance, then justifies why they should care enough to strive to improve.